Friends, in today's The Indian Express newspaper, we have an article regarding women representation in Lok Sabha. So this is an article slight dip in the numbers of women in Lok Sabha, well under proposed 33% quota. So we will look into some data and facts related to this article. Like in 2024, uh, we have 74 women MP. Okay, which represents 13.63%. In 1952, during first election, we had only 22 women MP, which constituted 4.41%. Okay, so these are the points, and here is a chart you can see. Like in 1952, we had 4.4% women MP in Lok Sabha, and you can see here in 2024 we have 13.63% women MP in Lok Sabha, while on 2019 we had 14.36%. So we can see a slight dip of almost 1%. Okay, you can see, you can note down this point. Okay, here are some points which you can consider. Like in 2024 we have 74 women MP. In 1952 we had 22. Here out of 74, 43 women MP, they are first time MP. Okay, so this is a good point. Out of 74 women member of parliament in Lok Sabha, 43 are first time MP. And of all the parties, TMC has the highest percent or proportion of women as an MP in Lok Sabha, 37.93%. Although in terms of number, BJP is the largest party with the highest number of women MP, but in terms of percentage, TMC is the party which has almost 37% women MP in Lok Sabha. Okay, in 2019, first time we crossed the 10% mark. Okay, women more than 10%, because this data in 2009, and in 2019 we had 14.36% women in Lok Sabha. Okay, so 78% women, they completed graduation, so they are educated, well literate. So this is a good point. And here average age of MP in Lok Sabha, I'm not talking about women MP, but average age of overall member of parliament in Lok Sabha, it is 56 years. Okay, 56 year of age. But if we talk about women, average age of women MP in Lok Sabha, it is 50 years. So it is a good sign that in lower age women are becoming MP and they are graduated. Okay, 78%. This is a good point we can note. If I talk about overall performance of different countries with respect to women in parliament or Lok Sabha, as in South Africa 46% women are MP, ठीक है, and in UK 35% women are MP, and in the US 29% women are MP. But in India you can see here 13.63% women are MP in Lok Sabha. I am talking about Lok Sabha, not in Rajya Sabha. Okay, so this is the article, and you can note down point. It will be important for your mains perspective. Thank you for watching this video.